Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So ngayon, wala na naman ako magawa kaya ito naman ang gagawin ko. Maglilinis naman ako ng electric fan. So yun, okay na. If you like our video, don't forget to buy us a cup of Coke or coffee. And see you next time. Bye!